German Bright Traffic, German Bright Traffic. This is MV Araos. Call sign Kilo Charlie Uniform. How do you read me? Over.
Yeah, Bravo, German by traffic. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. MV Araos proceeding to your monitoring area bound for Bremen, Germany. Over.
Coming from Archangel, and how many persons on board and security level?
8 persons on board and security level number 1. Over.
Yeah, what is your maximum draft today?
My maximum draft is 5.95. Over.
Okay, and your present ETA on Weser Pilot Station?
My present ETA to Western Pilot Station is 1700 local hour. Over.
Oh, we'll run on slow speed to be at 1700 hundreds at the outer pilot station.
Yes, sir, that is correct. As per agent, our pilot will be 1700 hours local time. Over.
Yeah, okay. So your report today or this time would be okay. So have a good watch, MB Araos. Contact the pilot station 2 hours before arrival on channel 06.
Well understood, sir. I will contact pilot station 2 hours before arrival on channel 06.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bremenhaven, Western Pilot Station. Bremenhaven, Western Pilot Station. This is MV Araos.
MV Araos, this is Weser Pilot Station.
Bremenhaven, Western Pilot. This is MV Araos. Good afternoon, sir. My ETA to pilot station is 1700 local time. Over.
Okay, 1700 local time. So what is your maximum draft in freshwater, please?
My maximum draft in freshwater is 5.95. Over.
Okay, Captain, stand by and I will call you back.
Okay, sir. I will stand by. Thank you.
MV Araos, this is Weser Pilot Station. Come in, over.
Western Pilot, this is MV Araos replying. Go ahead, sir.
MV Araos, what is your maximum maneuvering speed?
My maximum maneuvering speed is 12 knots. Over.
12 knots. Is your maximum maneuvering speed, Captain?
Yeah, with the current, we can go more.
Okay, Captain. The pilot on arrival, and can you please advise your freeboard today? How many meters?
Our maximum freeboard today is 3.5 freeboard. Over.
Okay, Captain. Then we don't need pilot ladder. The pilot will come alongside, which is your starboard side.
Okay. No need for pilot ladder, and the pilot boat will come starboard side alongside.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, MV Araos. So your pilot will come on starboard side. So that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Cruiser Gate, narinig nyo?